shooter. Are you ready?
I am. That was an impact! I'm searching for the perfect trigger press that results in a hit on a plate, no matter how far it is away or how small the target is. Should I drop my pant? Does it help? Yeah. My name is Sepp Sixt. I'm the founder of a company called Lindnerhof Tactic. Was willst du hören? What do you want to hear? Everybody calls me Seppo and I'm a sport shooter. PRS shooting or DLR shooting means you shoot in a dynamic way small targets on different distances. Means you have four, I would say 5 stress factors in a stage, and a competition is made out of up to 10 stages on a 1-day match or up to 20 stages in a 2-day match. I'm shooting since my childhood, and I went to the army, went through different units, and I come from pistol and assault rifle shooting. I never was in precise shooting, so I never did a sniper course or a sniper training. During that time, I would call it in my youth, I was not patient enough to do this job, so I was seeking for action. So you have to train yourself with your equipment for sure. If you have bad ammunition, or maybe the wrong ammunition, you can't hit, you will not hit. Welcome to my kingdom. So this is where I make my ammunition. Usually I'm doing a couple of 100 rounds every time I'm in here. I'm not going for factory ammunition because it usually isn't as precise and consistent as I'm looking for. But after retiring and being in civilian life, I started hunting, and I was caught by long-range hunting. So I had to start thinking about scopes, rifle calibers, special calibers for long-range hunting, and so on. And pretty soon I realized there is a sport growing in the United States that does exactly what I was looking for. Before I start priming it, I'm cleaning the necks. See the difference here? That's a primed one, unprimed. In an average, we shoot on 0.4 mil size targets, and that means 0.4 mils or 4 centimeters on 100 meters means 40 centimeters on 1,000 meters. So, gentlemen, that is reloading, ready for Italy. We will see what happens, and now get out of here. I'm not used to this.
You'll get used to it.
I'm not used to this.
Yeah, I'm happy. We have a lot of shooter from 10 European countries, and also a very good shooter because we have top shooter from Germany, from Czech Republic, from England, Italy, the best shooter in Europe.
I'm Valentina Lanotte, I'm from Italy, and I chose to start these crazy sports because I just fell into it. So I did like a course Victrix organized for ladies 2 years back, and then I just went on. I won my rifle actually at the competition, and so I said, what can I do with the rifle? So I started shooting PRS.
So I'm expecting to compete or to have the heaviest fights, if you can call it fights, with Alberto and Christopher. Alberto Pompani is an Italian. He's, from my point of view, one of the best, if not the best, center-fire PRS shooter in Italy. I'm not here to beat you or anybody. I'm just here to have good time, fun, shit-talking the whole day long, and the result comes by itself. And then it's done. Right now I'm looking for the targets. I'm measuring the targets and compare them to what is written in the matchbook, just to make sure don't get surprised on the stage. For me, a perfect trigger press is when I know in the next 2 seconds the shot is coming, but I can't say when. So I don't get surprised. The human reaction on a surprise is very very unuseful for shooting a rifle. I'm expecting something, but I don't know when it's coming.
Shooter, are you
ready? Wait.
You tell me when you're ready.
Yes, sir. From my point of view, 85% of the sport is mental. The rest is equipment, and equipment means rifle and ammunition. So you are the factor. The main factor is the human.
Noch 50 Sekunden.
Oh, the talking timer. I always had problems with time management. I'm using a kitchen timer. It's called talking timer, and he talks to me all the time. So I don't have to watch on it. I just hear it, and that helps me coming through the stage. That means the first time I hear it on a 90-second stage, first time I hear it is after 30 seconds. That means I have to be 1/3 through the stage. And this is exactly the point I'm looking for. I just dropped 7 points. So I missed. And what happened there is I focused on time and didn't follow my process. That means I did the first shot, was surprised I didn't hit. I made a correction and got one hit, and then I thought I have it. I didn't make the follow through after the shot to watch my impact. And I don't know exactly what happened, but I did not focus on the impact.
We use practice score to record all the score of the match. At present time, we have a partial score, and I can see your result, match score, combined, and we will see the first three positions. In the second one, we have Sixt Joseph with 58 points, Alberto Bompan from Italy with 52, Gaetan Coussac from France 50, and then 48, 47, 46. We are very close. The match is not already decided.
1-0, K2, 0, K3, 0, K4, 0, K5, 0. Was in time, wasn't it? figured out is if you go to a competition and you just take it as it comes and don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just focus on the next shot and forget what's gone. For example, you went through a stage, it went pretty bad. You have a lot of misses. Forget it. It's gone. Focus on the next shot. Focus on the next stage. Focus on having fun.
And the winner, Joseph, with 8 points, 44.
Sepp!